Storm's Check channel here, and today I'm doing a video about Metro by T-Mobile. So today I will be talking about their free phones that they are offering. So if you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys can get a free 5G phone. So before I get further into the video, I would like to give a big shout out to Dronic Warfare. This video I did is from him. He did a video about this, so big shout out to Dronic Warfare for this video I did here. So check out his channel and video link below. So yeah, if you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys can get a free 5G phone. So if you guys go to Metro by T-Mobile's website and scroll all the way down to the bottom here. So you scroll all the way down here, keep scrolling, and y'all guys will see right here your choice of free 5G phones. You got 3 of them right there: Moto G Stylus 5G, Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, or the Motorola One 5G Ace. Pretty nice looking smartphones, pretty good specs for what they are. And yeah, it says upgrading to 5G has never been easier. Choose one of the latest 5G phones from top brands like Samsung and Motorola when you switch and trade in any eligible device. So you must switch to Metro and you guys must trade in an eligible device. So you do have to trade in the phone. So do keep it in mind, alright? Says here when you switch in-store only. So this is only available in stores only. Of course, selection and availability varies by location. Some offers may require port from eligible carrier, activation on certain plan, qualified trade-in and ID validation. Additional terms and conditions apply. See store for details. Alright. So yeah, you guys might have to pay. Some extra fees like activation and stuff like that. So make sure you guys read the fine print. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and check this out. So pretty cool deal here. If you guys want a pretty decent 5G phone, switch to Metro, and Metro will hook you guys up with that. So they got 3 phones here. Says your choice of free 5G phones. Upgrading to 5G has never been easier. Choose from top brands like Samsung and Motorola when you switch and trade in any eligible device, backed by the power of T-Mobile's network at no extra cost. So 5G is included. Basically, if you guys can read the fine print, basically what I said on the home page there. So they got the 3 phones here: Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, Moto One 5G Ace, and Moto G Stylus 5G. These are all 5G phones, of course, pretty affordable, very nice looking phones, great spec phones for being a budget-centric phone there. So they're all very nice looking phones and whatnot. Y'all guys can get this phone for free. Quick specs on the phone. If you guys want to check out my videos on those phones, I will have a link to those down below. If you guys want to check out videos about these phones, I'll have links below to my videos about these phones here. So the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G has a quad camera system, 5,000 mAh battery, 6.5-inch HD plus TFT display. The Moto One 5G Ace has a 48 megapixel triple camera with AI, 5,000 mAh battery, 6.7-inch Full HD plus display. Moto G Stylus 5G quad camera system, 128 GB of storage, 6.8-inch Max Vision at Full HD plus display. So they're all very nice looking phones, great spec phones and whatnot. I think if you guys want the most storage, I think the Moto G Stylus is the phone for you. If you guys want like a lot of storage, I think the Galaxy A32 and the Moto One 5G Ace has 64 GB of storage, and then the Moto G Stylus 5G has 128 GB of storage, and they'll all have 4 GB of RAM. So yeah. So if you guys want to check this phones out, I will have links to these phones down below, and also I will have links to my videos about this phones here down below. So yeah. Yeah, they all have 64 gigabytes of storage, except for Moto G Stylus that has 128 gigabytes of storage. The most expensive phone on this list is the Galaxy A32 in terms of like full retail price and whatnot. This is the Moto 1 5G Ace here, very nice looking phone. You know, pretty raw specs phone there. Similar specs to the A32 from Samsung. Specs is pretty good, you know. This is a budget phone. And this one also has 128 gigabytes of storage as well. I didn't know that. So the Moto 1 5G Ace and Moto G Stylus 5G both have 128 gigabytes of storage. So if you guys want like a lot of storage, the Motorola phones are for you guys. They both have 128 gigabytes of storage. The Galaxy A32 has 64 gigs. I thought that this one had 64 gigs as well, but I was wrong. So, sorry about that. So, quick specs on the thing there. Android 10. They all have Android 10 on them, I believe. I think so. I think they all have Android 10, I believe, which is not too bad, you know. Now let's go check out the Moto G Stylus 5G. So yeah, this is a very nice looking phone too. This is basically the LG Stylus 7 replacement phone right here. This is basically replacing the Stylus series from LG here. So there's the phone right there, very nice looking phone. Big ass screen, great specs, whatnot, stylus pen of course. Scroll all the way down, triple camera in the rear. This one says 256 gigs on here, according to that, but we'll see the spec sheet. That one says 128 gigs, micro SD card expansion up to 1 terabyte. I think Motorola has a 256 gigabyte version to this phone. I think they have a 256 gigabyte version of this phone, but Metro does not offer that. They only offer the 128 gigabyte version. So still not too bad, you know. Definitely worth a free phone. So any choices you guys pick from the three are worth a free phone, you know. So it depends on what you guys like. You guys like Samsung phones, you guys like Motorola phones, it's up to you. They all offer great features, great specs. If you guys want the big screen, big battery, the stylus pen, the storage and whatnot, the Moto G Stylus 5G is the phone for you. But if storage is not really a concern for you, the Samsung Galaxy A32 is the phone to check out as well. They're all nice looking phones here. So whatever phone you guys choose, you will not be disappointed. These are budget phones, so you keep it in mind, but they're worth a free phone. Not bad for a free 5G phone, you know what I'm saying? You're not getting a cheap ass phone. You're getting a quality phone with quality specs, quality features, and a quality brand. So you're getting a free phone. So you have to switch the motor, trade in the device. So if you guys can read that there. Says here, so read that there and whatnot. See if I can highlight this. Alright. So if you guys can read that here, it's kind of like in small print there. So it says here, activate on the $60 Metro by T-Mobile monthly plan and receive an instant $259.99 rebate off full retail price. So in order to get these phones for free, you guys must switch up the Metro, trade in the device and activate on the $60 plan. That's the only way to get this phone for free. Alright. So you guys must get Metro's top of the line plan, which is $60 a month. If you guys want a refresher course of what that plan includes, let's go ahead and check that real quick. Go to cell phone plans here. So you know it is what it is, guys. $60 a month for 5G, for unlimited 5G, not bad at all. So this $60 plan right here on the far right. You guys must get this plan when getting a free 5G phone. You get unlimited high-speed data, 5G access to T-Mobile's 5G network, 15 gigabytes of hotspot data, 100 gigabytes of Google One membership, which is pretty dope, and you get Amazon Prime membership as well. So that's pretty dope right there. So the $60 plan has it all, guys. If you guys want the perks and benefits and everything good, this $60 plan has you covered. It says here unlimited high-speed data. Stream your favorite entertainment with unlimited high-speed data at no extra charge. So there is no throttling. There's probably the private network management here. So you keep it in mind. So you might be deprioritized. And then you guys get the 15 gigabytes of hotspot data. So if you guys want to tether to your laptop and gaming system or whatever, you know, it has that. I don't know why this ain't loading. Alright, here we go. It says here 15 gigabytes hotspot data. Keep your devices connected at home or on the go with 15 gigabytes of mobile hotspot data at no extra charge. 5G mobile hotspot compatible device required and sold separately. So I think it throttles after 15 gigs. I think the 128 kilobytes per second. So do keep that in mind. It will throttle. I don't think they care, but I think they just throttle it after 15 gigs. And then you have Amazon Prime membership here. You also got the Google One membership as well. You get 100 gigabytes included. Get more out of Google. Automatic mobile backup, more storage, and extra benefits, all in one shareable family plan. So pretty cool there. So yeah, Google One is great. You know, great benefits, great features and whatnot. And then you have Amazon Prime membership as well. So this is really cool, guys. So yeah, why not? Says enjoy the best shopping and entertainment, fast free delivery, exclusive deals and discounts, and endless entertainment, all included in your Prime membership with a Metro $60 unlimited plan. Just sign in and get more of what you love. So yeah, if you guys want everything, guys, Metro has you hooked up with that on the $60 plan. So the $60 plan has everything y'all guys want. From a cell phone plan, has everything that y'all guys want. It has 5G, hotspot, 100 gigabytes of Google One cloud storage, and then you have Amazon Prime included in your phone bill. So that's a win. That saves you about $12 a month for that. So pretty cool there. So like I said, if you guys want everything included, the $6 plan from Metro has you covered with that. And that's the only way to get a free 5G phone from Metro. You guys must get the $6 plan to get the free 5G phones I mentioned. The Samsung Galaxy A32, Moto 1 5G Ace, or Moto G Stylus 5G. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty cool, guys. So if you guys want a free 5G phone, Metro by T-Mobile has you covered with that. You can get 3 great devices to choose from. You know, great devices, great brands, great features, great specs for what they are. They are budget phones, guys. but there are no slouch either. So you guys have the choice of Samsung Galaxy A32, Moto 1 5G Ace, or Moto G Stylus 5G. So pretty cool there. Switch to Metro. You guys might have to port over your phone number. You guys want to trade in the eligible device, and you guys must get this $6 plan from Metro to get the free 5G phone. So read the fine print, guys. So yeah. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you guys did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.